welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how I have done this whole makeup with my fingers, because here I come with another makeup challenge from L'Oreal Paris, which is doing full face of makeup with your fingers. And yes, I have done my contour with my fingers, my nose contour with my fingers, and I'm really loving it because it's looking really sharp. My eye makeup, I have done it with my fingers. So if you want to know how I have done this makeup look with my fingers, then please continue watching. So first I'm going to apply color corrector under my eyes, and I'm using the same Swiss Beauty palette, which is a concealer palette. So with your finger you have to dab the product in like this. Basically most of the people say that you have to use your ring finger to blend your concealer or whatever, because it put least pressure on the area. But I don't know why I feel this finger really handy as compared to my ring finger, so I use this one only. For foundation, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible foundation. So first, I'm gonna take a drop of this product, like just this much, because I've started using least amount of foundation as well. And also this foundation is really good, it spreads really well and gives a wonderful coverage. And first I'm gonna just spread it like this. Now for concealer, I'm gonna take this LA Girl Pro HD concealer, and I'm not going in directly because I don't have to use any blender or brush. So I'm taking some amount of product like this, and I'm just gonna use this much under my eyes, on my nose, forehead, my cupid's bow. And first I'm gonna blend it like here only, then here. With your fingers, suddenly the process of blending becomes so slow, like it's taking so much time. And now I'm gonna take my Bharat & Doris loose powder to set my face. Basically I don't want to set my face because I've used a matte foundation from L'Oreal. So I'm gonna set my eyes first, and taking the powder this way. Now this feels like really challenging, but just this much. And first getting rid of the crease, and now gently just tapping this like under my eyes and on my lids as well. And you can do baking as well, like with your finger you can do baking as well. Just leave it like this and it will bake. Alright, and now I'm gonna move on to my contour and blush. So for contouring, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal lipstick. So this is in the shade I Amaze. It is a nude terracotta kind of color, so I think this will work good for contour because I don't have any cream contour. So I'll think of working with this. So I've taken it like this way, and yes, it is working. And I'm gonna just apply it like this here. So I'm basically bronzing up my face with this. A little on my nose. So if you do not have any bronzer or contour, so you can use any lipstick which is neutral shade. So for blush, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal lipstick. This is their Root Signature Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I'm in the shade I Choose. This is a pretty mix of pink and lilac color. on the tip of my nose and my chin. for my eyebrow, first I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 brow product, and for this I'm gonna use the tip of my nail, if it works, and I'm gonna line it like this. I think for this video I needed long nails, but I have cut them short just 2 days back. But it's not that bad, it's working. Like if you can see, I've made this sharp line, and now I'm gonna fill it. I'm gonna use this Nika K palette. This is in the variant Sugar Plum, and I'm gonna use this shade right here, which is some mauvish color, and I'm gonna take it on my finger like this. On the outer corners, I'm gonna place it like this. It's looking nice actually. Like I have deepened my outer corners. So this can work for beginners as well. Like if you do not have any brush, or you want to learn it easy, then you can take the eyeshadow and place it on the outer corners. That's it. This is what you have to do for one step. And then I'm gonna take some more and apply it here. So I'm just placing my finger like this, and this will automatically leave the color on my outer corners. And it is actually giving me a really pretty shade and really pretty effect. Like the blending is so perfect with finger. I really like it. Yes, and now I'm gonna take this shimmery shade and I'm gonna add it here. So I really can't believe I'm doing full face of makeup. Little glam with finger, like all with my finger. Now for the smoother application, I'm gonna blend it like this with this mauvish color. And now for my lower lash line, that is also really important. I'm gonna take this finger, my ring finger, and taking the same mauvish color, I'm gonna work it like you are applying some kajal. Like those days when we used to use our homemade kajals, we used to work like this. So that's what I'm gonna work now. Yes, so eye makeup is done and I'm really happy. Like I'm really satisfied the way it is looking right now. So yes, and now it's time for the mascara. Taking this mascara wand, I'm gonna apply it like this. This is all I can do right now. I'm gonna quickly coat my lashes like this. It is working, but pretty slow. Like I have to do it for 2 or 3 times. Okay, so it worked. Second coat made it really work, and my lower lashes are looking quite pretty, like you can see. I'm quite happy with my eye makeup. Like look at that. This is what I do with brushes as well. So yes, it did a wonderful job. And now it's time for the highlighter. And for highlighter, I'm gonna use the same one, which is the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminator. So this, I knew it will work because I have applied highlighter with my fingers several times. So yes, so you just have to tap it like this, and then little blending is needed. That's it. And for lipstick, I'm gonna use this color, which is L'Oreal Paris Root Signature Matte Liquid Lipstick, and then this is the shade 105 I Rule. So I have topped this lipstick with the shade I Captivate, which is 131. So this is a beautiful plum shade. Alright guys, so this is the final result. This is how my makeup turned out to be when I use my fingers for everything. Everything means everything. My brows, my mascara. So yes, I'm really loving it. But you have to tell me whether this look is a hit or a miss. So do not forget to comment down below. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I'll see you in my next video.